Welcome to one more edition of Python. Today we'll be learning about some more operations related to text file. We'll be reading a text file and finding the number of words stored in it. We'll be reading a text file and finding or separating the text based on spaces or the commas with which the data is being separated in a particular file. So let us do one thing. We make a notepad file or a text file which contains some information. For example, let us take name and age as two data. So for now we are taking only this much data. We are saving this file to the same place where our program file will be located. Say I name this particular file as data1, and this will be a data1.txt, a text file. After this, let us make a program file. Do remember the name of the text file, that was data1.txt. Now I am opening the file. This will be a program to read a file and find the number of words in it. First of all, I am creating an object that will open the file data1.txt in the read mode. Now this file can be read with the help of read function. So I am storing all the data being read in x equal file.read. All the data will be stored in x, and this x can be printed on the screen by giving the print command. Now I want to know the number of words stored in it. There is a special function, a string function, split, that can split a complete string based on the spaces stored in it. So, and after splitting, it gives a list of elements being stored. So here I am taking as suppose y equal to x dot split. So here the x will store the data of the file, and here the y will store the splitted data of the x. So y will be a list. Let us see whether y can be printed, and we'll find the length of the y, that is the number of elements in the list, or the number of words in the file, length of the list y, and we are closing the file. Now we are saving this file with the name read file, and we are running it. See, the data that we had stored was name, age, Kate 21, Victor 19, and the total number of words stored in the file is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 total words can be stored, are stored in our file. And if we increase the number of words or the files, the same will be reflected. So this is how we can read a file and we can find out the number of words. Now suppose we want to split the file based on the comma instead of space, because the split function automatically splits the string with the help of a space character stored in the string. Now let us save this file again, and I am running it again. Here, since there is no space available, since there is no comma available in this particular string, hence the complete string is a simple single word, and the number of words shown here is 1 only. Previously, when we had executed only the split function, without using this comma, and we have executed the program. We have got the 6 different words because there were spaces in between these words. Now in place of space we are taking, say, hyphen, according to which we want to split the string, and saving and running the program again. See, since there is no dash or hyphen in the string, the complete string is treated as 1 and the number of word will be 1.